Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making more resin shakers. This time the molds that I have are snack themed. I have a paw popsicle, unicorn ice cream cone, ice cream cart, strawberry, watermelon slice, and an ice cream car. And the colors we're going to be using are green and yellow. Alright, let's get our respirator mask on and gloves and get started. We're going to start with some UV resin and mix it with green pigment. We're going to use this mixture to color in the seeds of the watermelon slice. The strawberry seeds too. And also color the pads of the paw print. Then we're going to use UV light to cure the UV resin. Next, we're mixing regular 2-part epoxy resin and divide the mix into 3 cups. We'll color the cups with green, yellow, and pearl white pigment. In each mold, we're going to pour a bit of the yellow and green, and then top it off with the pearl white. Using a toothpick, we're going to swirl the colors a bit. Not too much because we don't want the colors to mix. Alright everyone, so our pieces are cured. These are nice and hard. Let's go ahead and demold them. Here's our first one. Here's the next one. Here's our ice cream cone. Oh, here's the popsicle stick. Here's the watermelon. Oh, looks so good. And here's the strawberry. Now I'm going to add the shaker film. I'm going to place the film on top of each window and trace around it, making sure that the shaker film will be bigger than the window. Then we're going to fill the shakers with little shaker fillings. Next, we'll peel the protective film from the shaker film. Then we're going to seal the film by pulling UV resin around the window and place the film on top. As we complete this step, we're going to slide them under the UV lamp to cure. Once the film has been placed on top of the window, we'll add one last layer of resin on top. And just for fun, we're going to add some cute bears. These are not stickers, but just clear plastic pieces. We're going to take them and place them on each shaker. Then we'll add a bit more resin to cover it. Alright, so it's been a day and the resin is cured. Now we can fill the inside with liquid. I'm going to be using baby oil. The oil is thick and slows down the movement of the charms inside. These shakers had a built-in hole for this purpose. Once the inside is filled, we're going to cover it up with a bit of UV resin and cure it with UV light. Alright everyone, and our shakers are done. So let's take a look at them. Here we have a little cart. Looking super cute with little bears on them. Here's a unicorn ice cream cone. This one has 2 shaker cavities, which is a lot of fun. This one's an ice cream truck, and it also has 2 cavities. This one is a watermelon slice. Here's a strawberry. And here is a paw print popsicle. Alright everyone, so I had a lot of fun making these shakers. They took quite a few steps, but I think they're worth it in the end. They're so shiny and so much fun to play with. So let me know down below in the comment section which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!